All right, geometry, I am so sorry, but we have one more video to do, one more honors practice, and then you're done. You won't have to see a video from me for a long time. Okay, so this is going to be, well, no, I think the other one was a little more complicated than this one, but let's take a look at what we've got. So we've got that ray RS bisects angle MRW. So MRW is this angle here, and the ray bisects this angle. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that with an arc with a tick mark. Okay. And then we've got RW bisects angle SRV. So SRV is right here. Oh, and then RW is right here. So my congruent angles are actually SRW and WRV. So I'm just going to mark that like this to help me visualize that a little better. Okay. And then the last part of this says that RP bisects angle VRW. So we're looking now at this angle, and RP cuts that bigger angle. So I'm going to mark that with 2 arcs. And they want us to find the measure of MRW. So MRW. So they want us to find this whole thing that I've just highlighted in yellow. Okay, so I don't have anything to work with right now, but let's take a look at what I know. I know which angles are congruent because I've marked my diagram, and I know that the angle MRV is a straight angle, and so straight angles measure 180 degrees. So this whole angle here measures 180 degrees. So if I can break up those smaller pieces, I can find the measure of the angle that they want me to find. So I'm going to start off and just label one of these smaller pieces as X. So I'm going to label this small blue piece by X. Okay, so if that angle measures X, this angle right here, then that means this angle also measures X. Okay, so now I've got an expression for angle WRP and PRV. So if both of those measure X, well, the bigger angle, WRV, is made up of those 2 smaller angles. So they're saying that, okay, this whole thing measures 2X because X plus X is 2X. Oh, but wait, this angle also happens to be congruent to this angle, right? Because I marked it earlier. We marked those angles congruent using this marking here. So if one of those angles measures 2X, then this angle also measures 2X. Oh, but wait a minute. I have angle SRV, so this angle right here, that whole thing measures 2X. And so then the other angle that's also marked with the red arc and a tick mark going through it also must measure 2X. And so what's nice about this is that now I've got expressions for all of my smaller angles. And so I know that all of the smaller angles add up to 180 degrees, so I can set up an equation. I can do 2X plus 2X plus X plus X equals 180 degrees, because all of those angles added together will get you to your straight angle. I've got everything in terms of X, so I can combine like terms. 2X plus 2X is 4X, so I've got 4X plus 1X, that's 5X, plus another X, that's 6X. So I've really got 6X equals 180. And so to solve for X, I'm just going to divide both of those sides by 6. So we get X equals 30 degrees. And I say 30 degrees because, oh, whoops, I didn't mean to erase that. I say 30 degrees because that means then that this angle measures 30 degrees, this angle measures 30 degrees, this angle here measures 60 degrees because 2 times 30 is 60, and this angle here also measures 60 degrees. So now that I've got angle measures for all of those, I can go ahead and focus and find the measure of angle MRW, which is 60 plus 60. So the measure of angle MRW equals 120 degrees.